Welcome back to another breaking update as we getting you the information exactly who all will be present in the swearing-in ceremony likely of Narendra Modi that is expected to happen now on the 9th of June, where prominent individuals and personalities from various walks of life, including lawyers, doctors, artists, cultural performers, influencers, professionals are likely to be invited, including religious leaders as well of all faiths are going to be invited. And the oath-taking ceremony would give out the proper message of Sabka Saath, because the laborers who worked on Central Vista projects, transgenders, Viksit Bharat ambassadors, sanitation workers, their beneficiaries, all of them also are likely to be invited. The swearing-in ceremony participants that are now also expected when it comes to politicians, big participants, national office bearers, NEC members, outgoing parliamentarians, all MPs, MLAs, MLCs, district presidents. Mohit, good morning. It's an all-out, all-inclusive invitation, we believe, that is being extended for the grand swearing-in ceremony.
Well, Amita, could you please repeat your question?
Well, it's going to be an all-inclusive grand swearing-in ceremony come Sunday. Mohit.
Well, yes, Amita, it will be an all-inclusive grand swearing-in ceremony. The leaders from various parties, people from across the fields, spiritual leaders, they all will be invited and coming for this particular swearing-in ceremony. Now, what we are being told is that the beneficiaries of the government schemes, because beneficiary is a huge vote bank of the BJP-led NDA government, and we know for a fact that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in past 5 to 10 years have completely focused on beneficiaries, be it through the PM Kisan Yojana, be it through PM Awas Yojana, or Har Ghar Jal Yojana, or the free ration that is being provided to more than 70 to 80 crore people in the country. So those beneficiaries would also be part of the swearing-in ceremony, and also Shramjeevis, people who have worked in the Central Vista project, people who have worked in construction of Vande Bharat train tracks, people associated with Vande Bharat projects, and also people associated with metro projects, the Shramjeevis, they are all likely to be invited for this grand swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What we are being told is that transgenders and people from across the field, intellectuals, members of civil society, spiritual leaders, various dharam gurus, they all will be invited for this particular swearing-in ceremony, which will be attended by a host lot of political leaders, and also the heads of states of the various neighboring countries of India. So it will be a grand swearing-in ceremony, and just before that swearing-in ceremony, today is an all-important NDA meet, and post that Narendra Modi will be chosen as the leader of the NDA parliamentary party, and after that the NDA leaders with Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be going to Rashtrapati Bhavan to stake the claim to form the government.
All right, Mohit, please do continue to be with us. Let's play out reactions that are now coming in. As Mohit pointed out, even when it comes to all prominent personalities from all walks of life, from different countries, from within the country, from the political spectrum to the common man, all of them who are now being invited for this swearing-in ceremony. Let's listen into the reactions coming in.
सारे एमपी लोग को बोला गया है, सब लोग आ रहे हैं, सब लोग मिलेंगे, सारे लोग, सब लोगों से जो सलाह हो सकता है सब लोगों ने दिया है, उनको बताया है, और बिहार की मजबूती के लिए और देश की मजबूती के लिए जो हो सकता है वो जनता दल यू मिलकर बीजेपी के साथ करेगी। बर्थ मांगने का काम तो कभी नीतीश कुमार जी ने किया नहीं, कभी वो इस तरह का गठबंधन के साथ कभी बार्गेनिंग तो करते नहीं है। जो हमारी प्रतिष्ठा है उस प्रतिष्ठा के हिसाब से सब जगह मिलेगा।
ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मोदी जी 3rd टाइम इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। मीटिंग है, इसके लिए हम आ रहे हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी आज आ रहे हैं। हमारे सांसद श्रीपाद जी वो कल लास्ट मीटिंग थी कैबिनेट की, इसके लिए आए थे, वो दिल्ली में।
So even when it comes to the key NDA parliamentary meeting, the constituents, the allies have also started arriving. Meanwhile, JDS chief S.D. Kumaraswamy has assured support to the NDA, saying that we stand with Narendra Modi.
We are all with him. We are joining hand with India only. We have a lot of expectation, not only myself, but the entire country had a lot of expectation from Modi ji too. About the development, several problems it has to be solved.
So what demands can be asked by the alliance?
There is no demand. Stable government is required for the country. For that, we are joining hand with him.
Sir, news is coming there. They are asking a lot of things. So, what do you want to say on that?
Ultimately, everything smoothly, everybody will agree.
Well, you can see the biggest build-up as far as when it comes to Narendra Modi, who for the record third straight time will be sworn in as the Prime Minister of India. The biggest build-up that you will get to watch all of the updates right here on Times Now. With that,